Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. This is your host Bharat, and I have used almost all types of gaming headphones, and I have the ultimate gaming headphones today from the Dell Alienware range. It's the 5110H gaming headphones. It's a beast. Let's check this out. The Alienware 510H headphones cost $22,999 for India and $214 globally. But check the description for discounts and deals currently available. They come in two colors of white and black. Both are matte options, which I like. The box is pretty solid, and consider this as a souvenir of sorts with some details on the sides and back here. Once you open, inside you will find the 510H velcroed to the box, and you have to release that before unboxing everything. Inside you get two different cables. One is the 3.5mm jack cable and the other is a full-sized USB cable. Then you also get a splitter cable and a user manual, and a warranty card is present as well. Both have the 3.5mm jacks to the headphone end, but to the other end you have a USB on one and 3.5mm jack on the other. This is nice since this comes with 7.1 channel surround that works only on PCs. You can change this. Let's say if you're listening on your phone, you can easily switch between PC and mobile. Both the cables are well braided cables, and you also get a splitter cord for the 3.5mm cable to split for mic and audio in as well. The short 3.5mm cable comes with a mute switch and a volume level wheel controller on the sides here. And the USB cable comes with a mute slide switch and a button type volume leveler instead, which is nice to see. Now let's get to the headphones. They are made of a very good quality material, and you can feel it once you have these in hand. They feel very solid. They come with a rotatable headphone, so you can tilt them back and forth when using them for comfort. The headband pressure is just great, and the pull is what will give you that feel that these headphones will last you a long time. The hybrid memory foam, sports fabric and leatherette provide optimal cooling and comfort for long hours of gaming. Thanks to these cushions, the noise isolation is just perfect. Clubbed with the headband pressure, the headbands come with the soft silicone type material, which gives you a great cushioning all across. The side tilt of the headphones also helps with any type of head and fits in well overall. The 510H comes with custom tuned 50mm best in class drivers for a high resolution audio. This gives a wide and dynamic soundstage. Alienware audio is always excellent, and this doesn't let you down one bit. They're crisp, bang on precision, very tight bass, not too thumpy, but tight, so you can easily feel this while playing any gunshots on this. These are not that great for music, but with a small EQ change you will be fine with it. But for gaming, the surround you get is 7.1 channel, and this is very subjective. If you have never heard 7.1 channel on different headsets, you won't understand and you will feel that it's nothing great. But you need to dwell into the game with the drivers installed, and you will hear the footsteps and other in-game sounds perfectly. I mean, for me at least it worked well, but when I asked around a few of my family, they couldn't easily differentiate. And just for you to listen, here is the 510H experience. If this is your first time here on Tech Matrix, we do a lot of videos and unboxings, reviews and giveaways on my channel. So hit that subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get notified for all the new videos and giveaways. One thing I must say is that this doesn't have active noise cancellation, but this has some magic. The pads and the cushions and the audio mix itself gives you one of the best passive noise cancellation out there. I can literally hear nothing while having these on. The boom unidirectional microphone is on the left headset and are retractable, and they have an active noise cancellation, and they're pretty good in keeping away the noise. And this part of the video has been recorded on the Alienware 510H gaming headphones microphone, and this is a sound test. just emulating environmental clicks, or maybe keyboard clicks. There is a short spike, but it does a simple job. Not really takes out the noise completely. So I hope you can listen to this and make up your mind based on this now. Like you heard, the audio from my microphone and the 510H were quite professional sounding, while the 510H has a vocal streaming theme or profile to the audio, which is great for multiplayer matchups. And these are Discord and TIA 920 certified, so that's a bonus too. The USB is built in with a DAC 2 and installs the drivers as soon as you plug it into a Windows-based system, and both the drivers and the Alienware command center is installed. The software is very unique as well as easy to use, while giving the users multiple options to optimize the audio experience. Let's go over this. On top you have the settings. On the right, switch to change the light and dark themes. Then you get the settings tab where you get some color change and effects, profiles and feedback. Nothing really interesting here. On the left you have the home tab, which gives you all the games and libraries as well. And then you get the more tab, lighting macros for other devices, and then the fusion tab, which is the most important one here. On the second tab on the right you get all the audio profiles on the left from Alienware, Com, Movie, Music and plenty more. Each one has its distinct signature to it. You can also create your own profiles, and on the main tab you have the master volume, audio effects where you have bass, reverb and the Alienware 7.1 surround and loudness, clarity and so on. Next you get the equalizer tab where you get multiple options like flat, bright, deep and bright, punchy and so on. Then you have an audio recon profile to change to your liking, more inclined for 7.1 surround, a small HUD to show you where the audio is coming from. Just to give you a test here on the screen, like you see the lines, that's where the audio is directed from, and this gives you a visual cue as well. And you can turn on the screen while gaming for you to know real time where the audio is guided from. Now, all in all, these headphones scream quality. The only downside is the cost. It's pretty costly, and if you can afford it, you can go for them. So guys, what do you think about the Alienware 510H gaming headphones? Tell me in the comment sections below, and also let us know what kind of gaming headphones you use. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more such geeky videos. This is Bharat. Peace out.